Oh. It's like a squeaky toy.
It is like a squeak toy.
Oh, baby girl.
Poor thing. Put her arms over her head, baby.
Does that help?
Supposed to.
Good idea.
Might take her off though. Let's do it. Yay! Kansas is winning! Yay! Yay! Yay!
Oh, look at that one. Maybe we scare her. I'm just kidding.
Hold on. Okay, my idea was crap.
Oh.